Let's do a day in the life vlog. Today is Friday, the 16th of August. I need to charge my Fitbit. I just got home from the gym and so I need to freshen up. I have some things that I want to film. I need to film like TikTok content, but I figured today is my first day alone by myself at home. Yesterday we dropped Brianna off at her dorms. We got her all moved in. I'm trying to find a place to set you down. I don't know where just yet. My arm is already getting tired. But yesterday we dropped Brianna off at the dorms. Jordan started school last week, kind of, because Hurricane Debbie came through, threw things off, but this is his first full week of school. And today's the first day that, oh, and my husband's at work. Today's the first day that it's just like a moment to myself. As an introvert, I need this time. I need to just be by myself for some time. So I'm very much looking forward to it, except that I'm going to take today and run some errands and go look for things and figured I might as well open up the camera because it's just a day with me and you can literally spend a day with me. So let's get into that. Today on the agenda, number one, I'm going to eat something. Number two, I've already gone to the gym and I want to go to Target. What am I going to Target for? I might film some things for a separate video from Target. I'm not 100% sure, but I did want to go and do some try-ons for my TikTok. So I won't film that probably, but we'll see. Some of that might get in here. But I want to go to two other places. I think that's more important. I want to go to Hobby Lobby and I want to go to Home Goods. I was already in Hobby Lobby earlier this week because I knew that Christmas had gone down to 50% off. And I looked in a little bit of the fall stuff, but I was looking for like placemats in the fall section and they were too fall. And I was thinking, well, I might as well get some fall ones because we're going into fall. But I just didn't love what the options were. And so I looked in the Christmas section and I got 3 more of those Nutcracker ornaments that I used last Christmas because I'm not going to change my theme so much for my tree. I'm really obsessed with Nutcrackers if you didn't already know. And I just think it'll make a big pop to have those big ornaments. I wanted more of them last year and I could only find like 1 of each. So I got 1 more of each of the Nutcrackers that I got from last year. So that'll be on my tree. And then they had a tree collar that I think I want to go ahead and, I think it just makes sense to go ahead and get it now. I just would hate to be like, I'm going to go back and get it. I'm going to go back and get it. I'm going to go back and get it. And then it's gone and I can't find them in any of the Hobby Lobbies that I have near me. And if you remember last year I found the final cedar garland in all of the Hobby Lobbies near me. I found it last year. It was in a vlog. It was in the fall. It was in September, I believe. And that was the last one to be found. So I don't want to take my chances. If I see something I like and I want to get it and I know I want it, I might as well get it because it's already half off. I also want to check out Home Goods because I am looking for table mats or placemats. And I might find that when I go to Target. I just haven't looked. Last couple times I was in Target, we were on a mission for college stuff. So I haven't paid attention to it, but I do want to look and see. So Target for sure because of other reasons, but I'm also going to look at placemats, Hobby Lobby for fall stuff, and then maybe Home Goods. If I do Home Goods, we'll see, but I'd rather go to Home Goods on a Friday versus a Saturday or a Sunday. So I say all that to say, welcome to my crazy life. I'm going to eat a muffin because I want a muffin. So that's what I'm going to do. Things that I need to work on my computer, but I think that can wait. I always warm up my muffins, number one. Nobody has better muffins than Otis Spunkmeyer, if you ask me. But I do the tops last because that's my favorite part, so. I'm gonna work on my planner a little bit. This is my block planner. Nothing was on the deck for yesterday because of us being out all day, but I'm gonna write down my things that I wanna get done content-wise, work a little bit in my iPad, and then I can like get something in me and then move on with my day. me do a quick OOTD. I'm about to head out finally. You know what? I really hate these things that are supposed to catch the gnats and the stuff like that. And they don't catch nearly as many as I think they should for this ugly blue light that they put off. I have a couple of them, and when I come downstairs in the morning and it's still dark outside, like, it looks like weird. I don't like these blue lights, and they throw off my lighting. Anyway, not the point. So I am about to head out. This Dr. Pepper tea is from Walmart from the men's section. This is in a size large. These Old Navy shorts are OG something. I don't remember the name, but they're probably on clearance at this point, but they're the 5-button fly. And then I'm just wearing these New Balances. These New Balances don't fully match, but I might be doing some try-ons if I can make time for it, and I just didn't want to wear sandals. I didn't want to wear my On Clouds or like white sneakers today. So anyway, I have this necklace I got from Amazon. These earrings are also from Amazon, but yeah, now I'm going to head out to go and take something to my daughter. But I'm going to stop at Target first. But yeah, here goes my day to myself. My local Target was pretty skimpy on the selection. I was actually not pleased with this, but I'm looking for, I think, a square or a rectangle shape, but I want it to be neutral. I kind of like this one, but there's only one of them, so that wasn't working. And I do like these, but maybe these are a little too light. Again, this one I like more because of the shade, but there's only one of them, so okay. I liked the color of this and the pattern, but the texture was off-putting. So, yeah, it's between these two at this point. So I'm going to check another Target and see what I can find there. I don't really want to go round, but I really do love this one. I just wish that it was in a rectangle and not round. While I was in Target, I did see that they had these HBCU dolls. This is so, so cute. I love this idea. Okay, so as you saw, I was in Target. I'm going to now head towards my daughter, but I just wanted to show. So if you've been here around a while, I'm a Kindle girl. I have converted to being almost 90% of the books that I'm going to read on a Kindle because it's easier, it's portable. I can read at night, I can read outside, it's easier to work with. But sometimes I do miss having a physical book. And now that I'm on Book Talk, like, I wish that I had like these big, beautiful displays of all of my beautiful books. I'm not about to start investing in books like that. However, here's my PSA that I want to share to you. When you're in Target and you see a book that you like, always pull out your app and scan the Target Circle app to see if the book is less money online. If it is, Target will price match it for you at the register. This book was 45% off online. So this book was $9.40, and in store it was $13.59, and the MSRP is $16.99. So you would have spent $16.99 on this if you bought it at Barnes & Noble, $13.59 if you didn't know about the app savings, and I got it for under $10. So that's a win. Give you a little tip. If you don't learn anything else from me today, learn that. Now let me go and head. I didn't look at clothes or decor or anything like that because I'm like, I can just always come back and do that. So now I'm going to go head to my daughter. And yeah. Now let's pop into Hobby Lobby. And this is the porch sign I was talking about. So they have two options. One that says Hello Fall. One that says Hey Pumpkin, or I gotta see it, even though this is the one that I bought. Hey there, pumpkin is what it says. I'm doing this voiceover pretty early. Anyway, so I really like both of them. I wish I could get both of them, but that doesn't make sense. So I went with the Hey There Pumpkin because I love a pumpkin, if you didn't know. And I really love this sign, even though I'm not really into word signs anymore. I'm strongly debating coming back and getting that sign. Also, really love this. This is so cute. Anything that I'm pointing out here, pretty much I love. So the landscape, the pumpkins, and not really this one because I feel like this one, so many people have that sign. So I don't really want that sign. And again, I don't really want more word signs, but I loved this. I don't have anywhere to put all this. And of course, I love the trees. Similar to the one in Target, I really like this placemat. Why do they have to add the family there? Why do they have to add the wording? To me, that cheapens the look. But anyway, I did like this sign, this Autumn and Blessed. I think it's really cute for a tiered tray, so that's coming home with me. And then also along with the tier tray, I really like these signs. These are larger than they've seen the past couple of years. At least, you know, I don't come to Hobby Lobby that frequently, so what do I know? But I really like this large sign. I have one similar to it from years past, but it's not as big. I know that it's early, but I just think this would be really good for my bedroom tree. And it's only $25 because it's half off. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this. This is the garland I got last time. There's not a lot. This is a Norfolk pine option, but this is the cedar that I got last time. And this is the one Hobby Lobby I found it at. They do have some up there, so. Look at that. He's really, really cute. He's a candle holder. Didn't I get candle holders last year? I don't remember. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna put this back. I don't need it right now. I just don't need it right now. Here's more of these guys. So I think I'll get both. I think I'll get two. I just don't remember. I feel like I did something candle related last year. I'd have to look back at my footage. But y'all know how I feel about nutcrackers. So I do not feel bad about making this purchase. Here's a look at those nutcrackers that I was talking about. So they actually have one more that's not here, that was here the other day. I think they just haven't fully stocked it yet, so I wouldn't be too pinched about that. But I also stopped into Home Goods, and like I need more fall towels. I don't, but I grabbed them anyway. But I really thought these were super cute. They wouldn't go with what I have going on, but I love the pink pumpkins, so cute. I saw lots of good finds here in general, so if you want me to come back and show you lots of fall decor, I'll be happy to do that. Just let me know. I didn't really like that particular feeling of the table mats or the placemats, and I'm always naturally drawn to either stripes or plaid, but the fringe on this was throwing me off, and the light coloring, I don't know, even though the ones from Target were light as well, I just felt like maybe that wouldn't work. I don't need I kind of want another drying rack or a drying mat. I don't need one, and I certainly don't need one for fall, but I thought these were all cute, all at great prices, and they all come with 2 in the pack. This one actually ended up in my cart, and then when I went up to go check out, I was like, why is this in my cart? I wasn't really planning on buying this. So I guess subconsciously I really did want to buy it, but I chose to put it back. Isn't this the cutest little mug? I don't need not one more mug. So she did not come home with me, but I think this is such a cute mug. And it also comes in these little espresso mugs. So cute for your little coffee bar. I wish I had space for that. Even though I don't really drink coffee like that anymore, but that's a topic for another day. I did really like this marble and wood pumpkin. It has the feet on the bottom, so you could definitely use it, but I'm probably going to use it in a different way. Next, we went out bowling with my family for my stepdad's birthday, and I love bowling, but we don't do it nearly enough. My parents bowl a lot, so we just had a good time here. This is at King's Bowling. This is in North Hills in Raleigh. It's off of Six Forks Road, if you're familiar with the area. So it has lots of things. We've been here before, but it has an arcade, it has a full bar, and lots of things to eat. And I like how they have lots of different areas and pockets of where you can bowl. So it's not just one straight bowling lane, you know, like a regular bowling alley where everybody bowls in the same space. So I think that's really cool. Really like the fries. The cheese, not so much. I could do without that. Good job! Didn't love the Boom Boom Shrimp, but I did pretty good. I came in second place. My mom beat all of us. I just want to let the record show I used to be really good at air hockey back in my day. So, you know, don't let this be an example of how bad I am.
Mama? Mama, where's your reaction time at? Oh, I forgot that. Mama, it's 5-0. Hold on.
Listen. Were you doing it vertical the whole time?
I was doing it like this the whole time. Dang, bro. I ain't even getting paid for this. Mama, you're trash. I don't even know if I got that.
Are you ready? You know someone. I might let you know. Depends on how to.
Mama, reach over the thing table. Oh my.
You lose. That was formal for me.
What's your react? What's it called?
Why are you so close to me?
Post game interview.
I suck.
She beat you down. She beat you down on her first.
Good, James. Even though these clips weren't shot horizontally, I still wanted to share them because my mom was cracking up. But that was our day. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.